Let's pass the journal entry in the books of Mr. Chandra. Here they have asked us to pass the journal entry in the books of Veda Book House. But in this problem, we are going to pass the journal entry in the books of Mr. Chandra. So let's start. The first entry is for royalty receivable. So this is for first year. Veda Book House, Veda Book House account to short working suspense account to royalty receivable. Okay, so how much Mr. Chandra is going to receive from Veda Book House? It's 50,000. If you see here, the royalty payable is 50,000. So he is going to receive from Veda Book House, that is 50,000. So if you see here in the first year, Mr. Chandra is getting excess amount of 30,000. So the actual royalty was 20,000. Because of minimum rent, he is getting 30,000 extra. Okay, so that excess has to be transferred in short working suspense account. Because we are going to transfer this to short working suspense account, the reason is in future when there will be a surplus, we are going to adjust this short working suspense towards the adjustment of short working. So here that's the reason we are transferring this to the short working suspense account. Then the royalty receivable, the actual royalty was 20,000. Okay. Then the next entry for receiving a royalty from Veda Book House. So bank account to Veda Book House. How much? 50,000. 50,000. If you see here, it's 50,000. He got 50,000 from Veda Book House in the first year. Okay. Then the last entry in the first year is transferring royalty receivable to P&L account. Royalty receivable account to P&L account. How much? 20,000. So this is actually earned by the Mr. Chandra. This royalty is earned by Mr. Chandra, that we are going to transfer to P&L account. Okay. On the income side, P&L, on P&L account, it goes on income side. That's the reason we have debited royalty receivable account to P&L account. And the next year, we have a same entries. Veda Book House, Veda Book House account to short working suspense account to royalty receivable account. So how much Mr. Chandra is going to receive in the second year, again it is 50,000. So 50,000 from Veda Book House. In that excess amount, he's going to get 20,000 excess amount from the Veda Book House. So that goes to short working suspense account, and actual royalty received is 30,000. Okay. Then the next entry is for receiving bank account to Veda Book House. So how much royalty he received in the year 2011 and 12? It's again 50,000. So bank account debited to Veda Book House account 50,000. Then the third entry is for transferring royalty receivable account to P&L account. To P&L account. How much it was? It was 30,000. 30,000. So this is an income for Mr. Chandra. This is actual income, actual royalty, which is income for Mr. Chandra, that we need to transfer it to P&L account. Then the third year, if you see, in the third year we have a surplus of 20,000. So this we are going to adjust it for short working. So let's pass journal entry for this Veda Book House account. Veda Book House account. How much was the royalty payable in the year 12-13? It was 70,000. So 70,000. And it's 50,000. 50, actually we have excess, right, in that year. So 50,000 plus 20,000. Short working suspense account has to be debited with 20,000. This amount we have adjusted. Okay, this much amount we adjusted towards the first year, towards the short working, that is 20,000 to royalty receivable. But how much was royalty receivable in the year 12-13? It was 70,000. So the royalty receivable was 70,000 according to the table 12-13. In that we have adjusted 20,000. The excess amount, the surplus amount has adjusted towards short working account. That's the reason we are transferring this to the we debited this 20,000 to short working suspense account. And Veda Book House, it's a 50,000. So total comes to 70,000. Okay. Then the next receiving entry, bank account to Veda Book House. So after adjusting short working, how much he is going to receive in the third year? It's 50,000, right? The royalty receivable was 70,000, but short working adjusted amount was 20,000. So 70 minus 20,000, 50,000. So the Mr. Chandra is going to receive, he received actually 50,000 from Veda Book House. So 50,000. This is receiving entry. And the next entry for royalty, receivable account has to be transferred to P&L account, profit and loss account. So how much actual royalty received, how much was the actual royalty in the year 12-13? It was 70,000. So that we need to transfer it to P&L account. The actual royalty was 70,000. So that we need to transfer to P&L account. And for the third year, the third year entries are over. Now we'll pass entries for the fourth year. Okay, so third year entries are over. The same entries are going to repeat. Veda Book House with minimum rent and short working suspense account. So in the fourth year, we adjusted 15,000. If you see here, the surplus was 15,000. So 15,000 was adjusted towards short working. So it is 15,000 to royalty receivable account. So how much is the royalty receivable account? How much is the royalty receivable? It's 65,000. So 65,000. The next entry is for receiving royalty, that is bank account to Veda Book House. Book House account. So how much Mr. Chandra received in the fourth year? It's 50,000. 50,000. 50,000. Okay. Then transferring actual royalty to P&L account. So royalty receivable account to P&L account. That was 65,000. 65,000. Oh, sorry. 65,000. Okay. So this actual royalty has to be transferred to P&L account. And we have irrecoverable short working. So the whatever Mr. Chandra received in excess 30,000 plus 20,000, in that 50,000 only 35,000 has been adjusted by the Veda Book House. So another 15,000 got lapsed. That is a loss for Veda Book House and profit for uh, Mr. Chandra. So that this we need to transfer to P&L account as a income in the books of Mr. Chandra. So what is that? We'll show it under short working suspense account. Short working suspense account. Actually this is irrecoverable short working. So how much it is? 15,000 to P&L account. 15,000. So this is an income for Mr. Chandra. Then the fourth entries are over. Then let's pass journal entry for the 5th year. There is no any short working in the 5th year. So Veda Book House Limited, sorry, Book House account to royalty receivable. So how much it was? 70,000. 70,000. And the next entry for receiving royalty, that is bank account to Veda Book House account. So how much Mr. Chandra received in the 5th year? That is 70,000. Bank account to Veda Book House account. It's 70,000. And the last entry for transferring royalty receivable account to P&L account. Royalty receivable account to P&L account. So how much royalty has to be transferred to P&L account? That is 70,000. This is actual royalty, 70,000. So that's all we need to pass in the books of Mr. Chandra. Now let's do the ledgers.